moment where I can finally announce something huge. I'm gonna need a booty drum roll for this. Can you come over here? Today, I'm in the mood for some laing. Not to be confused with lion as in I'm tired of your lion ass, but laing, one of my favorite Filipino dishes. I'll be sharing my mom's recipe for this comforting, rich and creamy vegetable and shrimp dish and announce some very exciting news. But first, let me show you what I'm cooking with. I've got some dried taro leaves that I had soaking in some hot water for a little bit just to speed up the cooking process a little bit later. If you don't have access to it, don't worry, use whatever you have available. You can use kale, spinach, chard, any dark leafy green. Totally works here. First, I'm gonna chop up my onion, garlic, and ginger and give you a little ketchup. If you've been a part of the Justy Life community for a while now, then you may notice that I'm cooking in a different kitchen, and that's because we recently moved. If you missed that update along with everything else we've been up to and experiencing, including losing our sweet Oreo, who we miss so damn much, then please go and check out our last video. I'll link it so you could check it out. And let me know if that video connects with you, because we did see so many and appreciate all the vulnerable comments and stories that you shared in the last video. It just felt like one big, huge group cry, and we just cried it out together. I went through the cycles of fully believing in myself, having the faith in my abilities to make our dreams come true, to closing myself off to every possibility because I didn't think I was good enough. It is time to finally reconnect with our dream, the seed that we planted over a decade ago. And we are so excited to keep watering this garden so we could nurture it and harvest it and share the goods with you all. For years, so many of you have asked for more ways to support us, which leads me to this very special moment where I can finally announce something huge. My body is like, I can't even know. We've never done something like this before. I'm gonna need a booty drum roll for this. Can you come over here? Mouthful. It's our monthly membership plan that not only gives you access to exclusive content and experiences that allow us to connect in new ways, but it truly supports our team and enables us to keep bringing you that real shit on the regular. Each week, we'll drop a new mouthful for you to enjoy at your own pace. We went back to our roots with our first ever cooking series, Tasty Memories, and brought it back to life in a whole new way. It's a really fun, on-demand multimedia recipe and storytelling experience where I get to share one of my beloved recipes, step by step, along with personal story times, tips, and tricks so you can feel more confident and capable in the kitchen and just hang and have a laugh while you're at it. We also heard your demands for more Jen time, so get ready for Jen After Dark, a series where I craft, chat, and chill, totally uncensored, curious, and open to sharing more of my personal stories and thoughts based on topics suggested exclusively by members in the Mouthful community. And I do this all while I work on a relaxing craft project and enjoy my favorite recreational delights. There's also a monthly digest where the whole team gets together for a delicious eat and chat session to go on a deeper dive with you. We'll discuss exciting monthly themes based on the journey of becoming and share bonus footage, behind the scenes, bloopers, resources, and so much more. Ahead of the monthly digest, we'll also share a recipe featuring the meal we'll be eating, in case you want to make it yourself and virtually join us for dinner at your own pace. We appreciate you, whether you join the monthly membership or not. We're still in this wild journey called life together, and we're still going to be here bringing you content that makes you and your heart smile, recipes, and more, but we truly need and really appreciate all the support we can get. So head over to our brand new website, justeatlife.com, and join our monthly Mouthful membership. Just click the link in the description to sign up, learn more, and get curious. We are so freaking excited to welcome you over there. Huge thank you and big hugs from the Justy Life team. All right, back to the recipe. I've got oil heating up in this pot here. I'm just gonna add the onion, let that saute a little bit. Now that it's softened up a little bit, in goes the ginger, garlic, and chili. Then in goes the taro leaves, fish sauce, soy sauce, lots of black pepper. I love lots of black pepper in here. You can also add white pepper. And then good old coconut milk. Yeah, this is what's gonna make it nice and creamy, along with some water. Stir everything around, cover it, and turn the heat down low. The leaves are tender. It's done. Add the shrimp and just let that steam on the top there until they're fully cooked. All right, first bite, here we go. Cheers to you. Cheers to 2022. Cheers to you, Mama, for this delicious recipe. And cheers to me in my mouth. Come on. For the full recipe and more, head over to justilife.com. Sign up to become a Mouthful member, and I'll see you there. Happy New Year. I love you.